Hi everyone. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to very easily, download the application Xender on your PC, right? In order to transfer your files from your phone to your PC and vice versa, right? Okay, first of all, you go to your web browser. I go to Google Chrome, for example, and here you type xender.com, right? You type xender.com and you take Xender download Windows. Once you take Xender download Windows, you will see that the file will download to your phone just like this. You see, the file is downloading to my PC. I mean, right? Okay. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.